Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the life mathematics in chapter 4. See the first one. Already we finished that finding the value of the given quantity x. So the same like only the next one. See the word problem. Then 48 is 32 percentage of what number? This is a question. 48 is 32 percentage of some number. So you have to find out that what is that number. So 32 percentage of what number? So we don't know the number. So put the value x. Let be the number is x. You have to give the value x. We don't know the number, so you want to find out, so you put the value is x. Okay, now what is given statement? 48 is 32 percentage of this x. Okay, this is the number, so let the number be x. So that is 32. What is given? So given statement is 32 percentage of x is 48. So 32 percentage of x, this number we want to find out this number only. 32 percentage of x is 48. This means that is equal to. So of means what? That is a multiply sign. So 32 percentage means, so you have to apply the by 100. 32 percentage means that is in that fractional form 32 by 100 of x. So into x is means that is equal to 32 percentage of x equal to 48. So now this is the equation. So as usual you have to find out the value of this x. So first you have to transfer this 32 by 100. This is in the left hand side. We want to find out this x value of this x only we want to find out. So keep the x is in the left hand side. So you can transfer the 32 by 100 transfer to right hand side. So the changing the numerator and denominator. So that is 32 by 100 comes to this side means 100 by 32. So already 48 is there. 48 into 100 divided by 32. So just simplify this one and then find out the value of x. You have to cancel. So here 32 and 48 cancelling by 8 table. Here 4 8s are. Here 6 8s are. Again cancelling by 2 table. 3 2s are. Here 2 2s are. So 3 into 100, 300, x equal to, value of x equal to 3, here in this numerator 3 into 100, 300 divided by 2. So the denominator is 2. So 300 divided by 2 means that is value 150. Now the value of x, that is the number, the whole total number, the x value of x is 150. Is it clear? Again I am telling the given statement is 48 is 32 percentage of some number. You want to find out that number. So you can give the value, then that number, let the number be x. So 32 percentage of x is 48. You can find out the equation of this one, 32 percentage. So 32 by 100 of means that is multiply into x equal to 48. So you want to find out the value of x only, so keep the x in the left hand side. You can transfer all that number in the right hand side. So simplify the number, you have to find out the value of x equal to 150. This is the value of x. Is it clear? Okay students, now let us see the second sum. See the given one. What is 25 percentage of 30 percentage of 400? 2 percentage are given here. What is 25 percentage of 30 percentage of 400? So you have to find out the last one. So first you have to find out the last. After that you have to calculate 25 percentage of this answer. Okay, first you have to find out the 30 percentage of 400. So 30 percentage of 400, 30 by 100 into 400. Now you can do the cancelling by 100 table, that one 4 times. Okay, 100, here 4 into 100, 400. So 30 into 4, 120. So this is the first number. So 25 percentage of this one. So 30 percentage of 400, answer is 120. So now you have to find out this one, first one. Now second subdivision. So you have to find out the 25 percentage of this 120, not 400. This you can take now this 120. So 25 by 100 into 120. So as usual you can do the cancelling. So here cancelling the 25 table, here 1, here 4 times 4 20 paise or 100. Here you can do the cancelling 4 and 120 30. So this is the final answer. Cancelling the 4 and 120, you will get 30. So 30 is the final answer, that is 25% of 30% of 400 is 30. This is the final answer. Is it clear? Now let us see the third one, students. See the sum. A car is sold for 2 lakhs rupees. 2 lakhs. A car is sold means that is selling price. Selling price of a car 2 lakhs. From its original price, that is cost price is 3 lakhs. Original price, actual rate is 3 lakhs. Find the decrease percentage. So first you have to write the steps. So the original price, that is actual rate. Actual price of a car, okay, rupees 3 lakh. Actual price. So that is next selling prices, that is given. A car is sold for, so selling price of a car rupees 2 lakhs. So this one is decreasing, value is decreasing from the actual price. Actual price 3 lakhs, selling price is 2 lakhs. So decrease per amount of decreasing amount. So amount, how much you have to find out. Decreasing amount. So the difference of this two is what? 1 lakh. So 3 lakh minus 2 lakh. Rupees 3 lakh minus rupees 2 lakhs. So the decreasing value is 1 lakh rupees. So amount of decreasing 1 lakh. So here in this sum they are asking find the decrease percentage of decreasing amount. So you have one formula for that, percentage of decrease percentage equal to, therefore decrease percentage equal to, formula for this decreasing percentage, decreasing amount divided by original value into 100. So this one is the decreasing value divided by original cost, that is actual rate, original or actual, into 100. This is the formula for decreasing percentage of decreasing value. So decrease percentage formula is decreasing amount, that is amount in decreasing divided by actual into 100. You have to calculate this one. Percentage of decreasing formula, that is a decreasing amount decreasing divided by actual rate into 100. So that is decreasing amount, you have already 1 lakh divided by actual rate, that is 3 lakhs into 100. This is the formula for finding percentage of decreasing. So decreasing amount divided by total amount into 100. Now you can do the cancelling here. Here you can do the cancelling, 1 lakh and 3 lakh. You have 3. So 100 divided by 3. In the numerator 100, denominator is 3. So you have to divide this, the percentages. So you can cancelling dividing this 100 by 3, you will get 33 1 by 3, that is percentage. 33 1 by 3, that is the answer is mixed number. You'll have mixed number. 100 divided by 3, the answer is 33 1 by 3. This is a percentage of decreasing. That is in the question they are asking find the decreasing percentage. This is a decreasing percentage equal to 33 1 by 3 percentage. Is it clear?